NCERT syllabus for Class 1. English, Chapter 7. Once I saw a little bird. Sing and enjoy this poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Let's know the summary of this poem. In this poem, a boy sees a little bird sitting at his window. He comes near the bird to talk to him, but the bird rapidly flew away. Let's know basic word and their meanings from this poem. Saw, looked, hop, moving up and down, cried, to make a noise and produce tears in your eyes. Stop, to stand still. Window, an opening in the wall to get air and sunshine. Shoe, made a repeated movement. Tail, the long back part of animal's body. Watch second part of the video to do exercise from this lesson. For more fun learning videos, subscribe to Catrack Kids TV.